So what if you want to make a GIF or like a video or something like that instead of just a Christmas card with a background? So in that case, you're going to go to video, select that, and then if you're just going for a regular video, choose landscape. Otherwise, if you want it viewed on a phone, go mobile video. So I'm going to choose that. But now I don't have anything on here, but I'm going to go to my uploads, just like I did before, and I've already uploaded the files that I need. So I am going to choose this Grinch's lair to be my background. And then if I go to videos, now I have this video of Mr. Zimiga being the Grinch. So the first thing that I want to do with this is I've got to click on it, and then I'm going to go BG Remover so that I can remove the background from it. So now to get him into his lair, I actually have to drag this up on top so that it's layered up on top of there. So now if I click on him, you can see that he has a background right there, and I can make it bigger down here on this little slider so you can see where that's at. And then I'm going to make this video the same as the video of him. So you can see if I hit play here, he's doing that. I can add things to this. So if I go to elements, I actually found a cool Grinch stuff in the graphics. So if I go Grinch see all, I actually found some 6, 7 here. So if I'm going to put a 6 on here, I don't want the background, but I want it on to be layered. So I've got to put it up on top there, make it the same length. And then I'm going to make this quite a bit smaller, maybe put it up here in the corner. And then the same thing goes with the 7. So that time it plopped in and layered for me. So that was kind of nice. So I can put that in there. And so I'm going to make this the same size as the 6. And now I have a little Christmassy 6, 7 GIF with Mr. Zimiga. So in order for this to be a GIF, so I can make this Grinch GIF, and then I'm going to go up here to share, and I'm going to download it. But now, instead of this being a video, I'm actually going to go down and I'm going to choose GIF and hit that, and then I can go to downloads. Obviously, it takes a while. GIFs seem to download a lot slower than what you would get if you were doing a video. But now it's in my downloads, and if I click on it and it eventually opens, you can see that now it's just a GIF playing of Mr. Zimiga trying to be a 6, 7 Grinch.